guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Stephanie Kase, and I'm going to show you around my home office. We live in a small one-bedroom apartment in downtown Columbus, me and my husband. I am a photographer, and I'm also an online educator for small business owners. So, I mean, it goes without saying, I work from home, and I work from home pretty much all the time. So I really need an office that is super functional, but also works well in a small space, right? Because we have a very small apartment. I don't have my own office per se. I don't have my own office room, but it's sort of like part of our living room, so you can kind of see it back there. I just want to show you guys around how I decorated it, how I made it functional, and really worked really well for me and having to work from home. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. Also, I do want to note here that I didn't really change a lot about my office. I kept it pretty much how it would be like on a normal work day when I'm going. So I didn't take away all the cords, make it look pretty, because I want you guys to see exactly how I've set everything up to make it just work really well for me in the way that I'm working, but also make it feel pretty, if that makes sense. So, okay, let's just go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys and start just talking through it with you guys. Okay, so I just wanna give you guys a good wide visual of this first. So I'm just gonna back up this way and kind of show you guys. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my office, little space, and as you can see over here is our living room area. Ignore my iPad and my phone on the floor, but this is my main office space. So what I like about it is that it kind of feels sectioned off from the living room, so it doesn't feel like I'm just working my living room all the time. So that's kind of the way that we intentionally set it up. So let's just talk through some of these things. So I'm gonna try to link as much as I can in the description as possible as far as the different things that I have, like my chair and my desk and everything like that. I can already tell you the chair I got from Overstock and the desk I got from Target, and I think they actually still sell both of those things, so I'll try to link to them in the description. But this chair, I really just wanted something super simple and something that would be really hard for me to curl up with my legs in, because I tend to do that and I have a really bad habit and I'm trying to break it. So I didn't want something super big and comfy, something just really simple. I will say it is a little darker than I thought it was going to be from the picture, but I still really like it. Adds a little pop of contrast to my workspace, which I really love. Besides this chair, like I already mentioned, the desk is from Target, and what I love about it is super simple. So let me just open up the drawers for you real quick. I will also link these organizers. I believe I got them from the Container Store, but these are really nice because they fit right in here super perfectly, and I kind of organize stuff in here. So it just helps it to feel a little bit less like a jumbled mess. So these are my different hard drives in here. I have 5 of them. It's kind of crazy. And then I have my webcam that I use sometimes, an extra mic from my phone I use occasionally. These are all basically dongles. They're basically just things to plug in SD cards and adapters and stuff. So I have those all in this little space here. These are all two of my SD card holders. And then the other side of my desk is really more I like to call it my little personal stash of things, but really it's just things that I like to have that aren't necessarily business, but I still like to have them when I'm working. So my headphones, I have a iPhone charger, I have my earbuds, I have tape, I have just little random things that I really want. I'm gonna keep scrunchies and stuff in here in case I need it while I'm working. And then, okay, so let's move on to the top of the desk real quick. So I actually got my laptop stand from Amazon, and I will be really honest, it is kind of cheap and not exactly the most sturdy. I want to do something so it's a little bit more sturdy, maybe with screws or something, but I will link it. So I get a lot of questions about it. It is really nice because it was cheap, and what I like about it is that you can kind of hide stuff under there. So right here, I'll keep sometimes if I have a planner going, I'll keep a planner here. I will also keep just an extra notebook where I can write notes and stuff in that I'm working on. And I have my hard drive. So I'm a photographer, but under here I have 3 hard drives just kind of hidden under here. Those are what I work on for my videos, for my photo sessions. All the things go on there, but you can kind of tuck them in here and hide them, but still have them plugged into your computer, which is nice. It just helps keep things a little bit more organized. And then I also got a separate external keyboard and mouse, even though I do work from a laptop. So you can see it's a laptop. And the reason I did that is because it's better for my posture. So my head is looking, I'll open this. My head is looking up right here, but then my hands are still down here, typing and stuff. So it doesn't mess with my posture as much. So that's why I do that. And then as far as the hard drives, you can see back here, they actually come out the back. So there's a little, let me see if I can show you guys. There's a little hole here where the different cords come out. And then I can plug them in. I just tuck most of them back there when I'm not using them, but the ones that I'm using, I have them plugged in here. And then one of these is my charger. So it runs down here and it goes plugged into this. So This is a huge surge protector. So I can plug literally anything into that and it will protect if something were to happen. So I have my laptop charger and my phone charger in here right now. I always keep my phone plugged in most of the time when I'm working so that it's like fully charged and I don't have to worry about it later in the day. And then I found this little basket, I believe it was from Target, and it fits like perfectly in there. So it makes it look a little cuter than if I didn't have it in a basket down there. And then the other side is another basket. I believe it's from Target. I have some things, these are more personal, but I have like this is a loop deck that I use for editing. Photographers, it's awesome. It's great if you do a lot of editing. And I have like this massage roller thing and then a couple other things I use to like massage myself and just helps me to remind me to do that. I don't know why that cord's hanging out right there. A little bit weird. But I also have this trash can, and yes, it is a trash can, and isn't it the most adorable thing ever? It has like a little lid. I believe it was from Target. I get a lot of questions about that. And then let's talk about, okay, so some of the other things up here. Let me just tuck these real quick. So I got this little organizer recently from the Container Store as well, and I love it because it kind of matches this, and so it helps keep things a little bit more like white up here to kind of like balance out the wood and stuff, doesn't clash. I love it because it kind of hides things. Like if I had a regular like pencil and pen organizer thing, you could kind of like see all the different pens and pencils, but with this, you don't see it until you come up here and you're like looking for one. And I can kind of keep little stuff here. I have like a hair clip and SD cards and stuff. I keep little random things in here that I want hidden. And then here just like I can put like note cards and mail and stuff like that that I get that I just need handy. But I don't have to have it like super visible. It just helps keep it feel a little bit less cluttery. And over here I have this, one of my favorite parts, Dog Mom plaque. It's just so cute. I think I got it at TJ Maxx, so I'm not sure. I don't think I can really link that, but you can always look there if you want to try to find one similar. I have a candle going, and then this is what I use to record any audio that's not in video. So, and I use it to record like live videos, like on Facebook and stuff. So it plugs directly into your computer. I use it for like Zoom meetings and stuff, so the audio is just super crisp and nice, and I love this mic. I will also link that down in the description. It's a Blue Yeti mic. I got my lamp from Target. I don't believe they sell it anymore, but I will link a similar one in the description for you guys. And then I also want to talk about, so we kind of have my whole desk here. I have one picture frame here, and that is from Target. It's just a photo of me and my husband from our anniversary last year. And I also want to talk about this little thing here because that is like really handy. Because I don't really have a lot of storage, right? Because I'm trying to conserve space. I do have to store some things in my closet for my business, and like camera gear and stuff goes in like the front closet over there to keep it handier. But I have two little things here. So I have this guy you can kind of see is hiding behind there. I have that. And I also have this thing to help hide things. So let me talk about this first. And I believe I got this at Home Goods. So I'm not sure if you can get it anymore, but the top part of it is actually a bunch of dog stuff. So like dog training, dog brushing and stuff that I use for my dog. And the plant just helps to kind of hide that stuff, but still have it handy. And then the second one, this is actually the camera I'm filming with. This is where I keep that. It's where that goes when I'm not filming. So like my mic cameras, stuff like that. And then the bottom area is where I put any extra like cords and stuff. So I have like my backup mic down there. I have a laptop charger down there. And then I just like some random like hard drive covers and stuff that I don't necessarily want like just laying out, but like keep it a little bit more hidden. And then on this thing, it's super nice because you can keep like papers and stuff in here. I got this from West Elm, and I will link it too, but you can see there's just like bunches of papers and stuff like that, like things I don't necessarily want sitting out because it feels super cluttery, but when you put it in there and you back up, you can't even tell. So I love that about it. And one more question I'm going to answer here is my plants. So I get a lot of questions about where I've gotten my plants from, and most of my plants are from local places. So like local nurseries here in Columbus, Ohio. I've gotten some from Costco actually. Like sometimes annually they'll put out some plants, but it's very like sporadic. So that's where I got this one, this big palm plant. And then the fiddle leaf is from Oakland Nursery here in Columbus. And then this little guy, I actually don't remember where I got him. It's probably from Oakland or Stump or something like that. So that's my cozy little office space, and that's just where I work pretty much every single day of my life. If you guys have any questions about where I got anything, everything is going to be linked down in the description, so you should be able to find it. But if you have any questions about anything else, feel free to drop a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part, if there was something that just really helped you and get you thinking about how to organize your space or to work from home or anything like that. I would love to hear about it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos on every Tuesday and Friday for small business owners to help you grow your businesses. So if that sounds like you, something you would love, go ahead and subscribe and helps more people see this video. You guys have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.